Greetings everybody, this is Red on VFR, and today, as you can guess, it's a VFR 750 video. I'll introduce you to the more details now. And the time is now. So she's back at home, parked for quite a few hours now. Let's check how much I have in my tank. Had to actually lock the steering wheel just in case. Handlebar, just in case. I've heard people losing bikes due to them being stolen. So I should have about 3/4 of the indicated capacity, which is incorrect, because I already rode for 108 miles, so I expect another 100, and obviously that's not gonna give me 100. Well, that gave me 100, but that's about it. Let's get to the fluid that I will be putting in the gas tank, and this is the magic fluid that I'll be putting in. I'll be putting some of it, obviously. So the brand is Stabil Fast Fix, small engine treatment, treats 20 gallons, cleans carbs and injectors, fixes rough running engines, eliminates water. So it's combustible and flammable. So don't try to drink it, alright? Small 2 and 4 cylinder engines. For rough running engines, use 1 ounce Fast Fix per 2.5 gallons. So basically you put 1 ounce per 2.5 gallons. I reckon it has about 2.5 gallons inside. And that's about it. If you don't know how much you have, on the bottom it says, let's see, somewhere here, over treatment will not harm. So if you put more, it's not bad. So I will probably put 2 ounces. So let's see, I'll put probably up to the beginning of sticker. That would be 1 ounce and some. It's hard to measure. It's hard to align the camera and the bottle itself. I don't remember how much that one cost, because that already happened a long time ago. I actually bought it for CM400 due to its rough running, but since I cleaned the carbs, everything's fine now, so I don't have to use it. But it's a good idea. This is not the correct stuff to winterize your bike. Obviously it's for running, not for just sitting. So it's green in color. It's not Mountain Dew, don't try to drink it. So we'll put some, actually, I don't know. Maybe I'll put 2, up to 6 ounces. From the top to 6 ounces, about 2 ounces. And it says run for 15 minutes to allow additive to work its way through the fuel system, actually through the pilot jets. This is what determines the idle. If it doesn't start, attempt to start again. Problems persist, you may need to have looked by a mechanic. Well, let's try to put stuff in the fuel tank and see where it leads us. So what are my findings about that Stabil Fix-It fluid? So if you remember, just a brief recap, I put about 2 ounces here in the tank for about 2 gallons of fuel or so. I don't quite remember how much it was because I didn't really measure how much I had. But I have a question for the manufacturer. They specified it to be for a small displacement motorcycle, but what is a small displacement motorcycle anyway? Because some might consider a small displacement bike is 500 or could be 750, because usually the bike engines go up to 2 liter, excluding the Boss Haas, obviously, which is the V8 Chevy engine that was not designed for motorcycles. And it could go down as little as what, I think 50, but I'm not sure. But I'm not sure if those are considered to be motorcycles. But in any case, I digress. So would that mean that so objectively I didn't see or feel any difference? Would that mean that my carbs were clean, or my carbs were very dirty that I didn't see any difference because the fluid actually didn't work? So see for yourself if you want to use it or not, but I have a very simple suggestion. If you have issues with carburetors, just pull them out, rebuild them. Use the ultrasonic cleaner with some degreaser for metal parts. Get rid of the sludge, get rid of all the debris that could be stuck in the jets, and rebuild it yourself. That's actually fun. But in any case, we'll see you in the next episodes. Take care and goodbye.